Good morning, Praful.
Good morning.
Now we have with us this Praful Pioneer. He's a young boy who is very much dynamic and interested to do something of his own. So we'll just hear from him how you entered in this virgin coconut oil business. How you came to know about this virgin coconut oil?
Actually, ma'am, I had come to KVK for mushroom cultivation, but then I found that it is that mushroom cultivation is not that feasible in Goa because Gorades are already into it. So then I met you and you told me about virgin coconut oil.
Yes.
And then when we went in detailed research like about virgin coconut, that time we came to know, yeah, this is our next plan of business, not mushroom, and we dropped the plan of mushroom cultivation. And KVK was the first thing where I approached my a training, and from there we took at least 2 years for detailed research, and then we came to the point that yes, we will go for virgin coconut.
So you were motivated by Krishi Vigyan Kendra to move towards this virgin coconut oil business.
Yes, ma'am.
So then actually means when you got all this information about this virgin coconut oil and you had made project. So then what you did after making this project, you approached to some government agencies.
Yeah. After going in detailed study of virgin coconut oil, we approached EDC for finance. So EDC provided us finance, and after that, like it was a good what do you call it? Help from government that they gave us, funding us for the machineries, and that's how we got more confidence to step into this business.
Yeah. So now, whatever machinery you have purchased, what is the capacity of your machinery?
Our machine can handle 2,000 coconuts per batch.
Per batch.
Yeah.
That is per day you are doing.
Yeah.
And what is the oil extracted per day from that coconut?
Right now we are extracting only 500 liters of coconut oil a month.
Okay. And how are you going to sell this? What are your marketing strategies for this oil after you make this? Now already you have started making, but when your production will raise high, then what are your marketing strategies?
Our marketing strategies, first we are going to approach like superstores. We are going to sell online, that is through Amazon, Flipkart, and through our website also. Second thing, we are going to once we get a proper license for the medical purpose, we might approach to the Ayurvedic hospitals also.
Okay. So what you feel like there is a demand and there is a scope for this to go in Goa, there is demand for this oil.
Yes, ma'am.
And what are your plans for you are saying that we will be giving through Amazon, you are planning to go at international level also?
Yes, ma'am.
That's good. Okay. So now after extraction of this oil, that residue remains and it is means it should not go waste. So what are your plan for this residue also?
So residue, first we are going to first we are planning to outsource the residues and whatever the remaining of the coconuts are to the self-help groups so that they can earn profit.
Yeah. So that other people also they will make some products out of that and that can be sold through this self-help groups.
Right.
Or you can go for this also, making of some Shagati masala or something, that also you can try, that will be good instead of wasting that residue because you can earn that extra profit from that residue.
Right.
And what are your plans for that residue which remains after extracting oil?
After extracting the residue, what remains, we are in talks with the sweet marts to make sweet and outsource it again to them.
Yeah, so nothing goes waste.
Right.
And it is a profitable business you feel.
Yes.
That's good. So we have, till now, when did you start this?
We started, the thing started last December, but it actually came into execution was 3 months back.
Okay, so till now how much oil you have made?
We have produced around 100 liters of oil.
100 liters. And that is all sold?
We have not sold, we are producing more so that we can directly enter the market.
And how you have a property or you buy coconut?
We buy coconut from the local farmers. Like we have adopted village in Ravana.
I see.
So that the coconuts does not go wasted of the people. So like we directly approach them So like we are planning to adopt more and more villages, so even the farmers get the benefit from us.
Benefit from this. So this is a really, you are a really good example. I feel like for startup now, this Chief Minister Rozgar Yojana and all government schemes, many schemes are there on the paper. But I feel Praful, you have really taken a lot of initiative and you are really motivated towards this scheme, and to enter into such a big investment of capital, it is not means that easy. So you have shown that these startups and these schemes of government you can do it, and you are very dynamic. I feel you will be definitely successful, and wish you all the best of luck from our KVK side.
Thank you. Thanks, sir. Thank you.